As most of you already know, Reverend W. Mark Sexton, a pastor and minister of Oklahoma, wrote a beautiful ritualistic work of our Lord. In our teachings, the story of Noah and the ark he built is often referenced.
Around 4,350 years ago, there were many people on the earth, but as time went on, more and more of them became wicked, and fewer of them grew up to be good men and women. But even in those dark times, God saw one good man in Noah, for in the sight of God, Noah tried to do right.
God said to Noah, I am going to bring a great flood of water to the earth and to cover all land of the earth. And as the animals will be flooded by the people, you must make the ark large enough to hold a pair of each kind of animal.
And as Noah in the book of Genesis,
Noah's Ark is described as being a massive ship built at God's command.
built at God's command.
He saved Noah, his family, two of every kind of land animal from the global flood.
And as Noah did what God told him to do, it seemed very strange to all people around to build such a big ark, but there was no water for it to sail upon. When the ark was finished, it stood like a great house of the Lord.
God took many kinds of animals and enough food to feed them all for many days. Then the ark overshot and no more animals or people were allowed in. In a few days the rain began to fall. It seemed as though the heavens were opened for great floods on earth. The streams filled, the rivers rose higher and higher, and the ark began to float on the water.
After 40 days and 40 nights, the rain stopped, but the waters stayed upon the earth for many months. And the earth floated over the great sea which covered the land. God then sent a wind to drive them up, so by degrees the waters grew less and less.
Mountains and hills rose above the water, and finally the ark ceased to float.
Or like the grass area. So because it's really
Noah didn't see what happened to the earth, but he felt the ark stop moving. After a while, Noah sent out a dove, and the dove came right back. Then he waited 1 week and sent the dove out again. The dove brought back a leaf, and that showed Noah that the land was dry enough to grow trees. Then, 1 week later, Noah sent out the dove again, and the dove never came back. And that showed him that the land had finally become dry.
The first thing Noah did when he came out of the ark was he gave thanks for God for saving his family. He had built an altar and laid upon it an offering to the Lord, and promised to do God's will. God then promised Noah that he would never again destroy